अच्छा दिखना कितना जरूरी है?
See, when we look good, we feel good. When I feel good, I behave good. When I behave good, you will react good.
Why image consultancy?
They believe that image means looking beautiful. गोरे होने चाहिए, आप लंबे होने चाहिए, should be slim and trim. ये realistic नहीं होता है.
Confidence comes from within, या it is only appearance?
It is both. Your appearance will also make you confident, and your inner self or inner engineering will also bring out the beauty on the outside.
I have done injectables. I wasn't confident about my looks. I'll be very honest.
अगर वो आपका confidence boost करता है, do it. Do it to the degree that you need it.
Why do we feel so inferior if we have to communicate in Hindi?
इंडिया में क्या है ना, we judge people by the way they speak, their pronunciation,
Fluent
their
English.
fluency.
Fake it till you make it, or it's just yes, yeah.
Gotta fake your confidence until you are confident, because confidence is also a journey.
जिंदगी हम सोचते ज्यादा हैं और जीते कम हैं. मीटिंग्स, डेडलाइंस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और कहीं बीच में हम खुद खो जाते हैं. लेकिन अब नहीं, क्योंकि यू ओनली लिव वंस. डर के साथ नहीं, दिल के साथ जीना है. दिस इज न्यू मी. किसी ने बताया नहीं. रियल टॉक्स, रियल स्टोरीज एंड रियल लिविंग. किसी ने बताया नहीं, यू ओनली लिव वंस. Here's something people don't say often, that looking good isn't enough. Presence is power. In a world that's always watching, how you show up becomes your identity. And confidence is not just something you feel, it's something you embody. आज हमारे साथ हैं एक ऐसी एक्सपर्ट जो सिर्फ स्टाइलिंग नहीं, कंप्लीट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में बिलीव करती हैं. From body language to confidence, she's helped more than 8,000 women step into their strongest selves. और उनके साथ आज हम बात करेंगे उन सीक्रेट्स की जो किसी ने बताई नहीं. So my beautiful people, please welcome Shalini Rathod.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate and value your time, and this is the biggest gift that you have given to me.
Your
Thank
pleasure
you.
is mine.
Thank you. So Shalini, when we were discussing and we were like, Hamara ye you only live once is the topic.
Yeah.
And we were looking up for a guest and we were reaching out to guests. I was like, I would really want to approach Shalini because with the kind of empowerment she brings to all women and everything, you seemed the apt person to have a conversation with. I want to understand first thing that why image consultancy?
Okay, first of all, Rubina, thank you. That was very generous. I'm honored, truly.
Thank you, I mean it.
And why image
Yeah.
consultancy?
Yes.
Because many people ना उनका myth है ये. They believe that image means looking beautiful. And वो conventional beauty standards होने चाहिए, आप गोरे होने चाहिए, आप लंबे होने चाहिए, you should be slim and trim. And ये realistic नहीं होता है. कि not everybody can be like that. तो हम लोग ये मानते हैं, all image consultants, that everybody is beautiful. And सब body types एक type है.
Okay.
वेदर वो हम उसको आर ग्लास बोले कि पेयर शेप बोले कि एप्पल शेप बोले, दे आर जस्ट अ टाइप. एंड उसको हम कैसे बेस्ट प्रेजेंट करें वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज अगर हम एक आजकल वो जो हम पिंटरेस्ट पे देखते हैं या इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पे देखते हैं या बड़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखते हैं, दे हैव अ टीम ऑफ आर्टिस्ट अराउंड देम. उनके पास मेकअप मैन होते हैं, उनके पास उनके वर्कआउट पीपल होते हैं, ट्रेनर्स होते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, स्टाइलिंग टीम होती है. सो दे लुक गुड. बट हम लोग हमारे लिए ऐसे ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड सेट कर देते हैं कि वी आर ऑलवेज सेल्फ क्रिटिकल. सो इमेज कंसल्टेंसी is something that is not beauty based, that is enhancing your presence, overall presence.
Oh wow.
अब पैकेजिंग अच्छा करो तो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा ही दिखता है.
So that's like a personal styling thing.
It's more of a personal styling. Also, it includes a lot of confidence building through communication, through grooming, your body language. आप अपने आप को कैसे conduct करते हो एक situation में. All of that put together is image. Image is not just your outer appearance, but your overall conduct in a situation.
Wow. You mentioned the shapes. Please can you tell me what shape do I fit in? Because मैंने बहुत struggle किया to understand what is my body shape like.
बहुत सिंपल मैथ है.
Okay.
आपको 4 मेजरमेंट्स लेने हैं. योर शोल्डर्स, योर वेस्ट, योर हिप्स एंड योर थाइज. थाइज इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. आप अगर 3 भी ले लो, शोल्डर्स, वेस्ट एंड हिप्स, एंड देन यू सी अगर आपके शोल्डर्स सबसे ज़्यादा ब्रॉड है,
Okay.
broader than your hips, then naturally your inverted triangle, जिसको हम inverted triangle, which means apple shape.
Apple shape, okay.
And अगर आपके hips सबसे ज़्यादा है wide, more than your shoulders, then you are triangular or pear shape.
Okay.
But अगर आपके shoulders and your waist and your hips are almost equal to each other, ज़्यादा indentation नहीं है, मतलब 1 inch here and there होगा, तो then it's a rectangular because आप बहुत straight दिखोगे.
Okay, okay.
Okay, like 2 parallel lines.
आज ही measure करूँगी मैं.
With a measuring tape.
Yeah.
And only when your hips, your shoulders and your hips are almost same in size और आपका waist थोड़ा सा narrow है, that is your ideal body size, body type. But honestly बोलूँ ना, हम लोग as image consultants मानते हैं कि सब ideal होता है.
Yes. Everybody is unique.
Everybody is unique. It's just that आपको आपके पास क्या गिफ्ट है उसको आप enhance करो, जो आपको camouflage करना है, do it beautifully, smartly.
हम जैसे अभी ऑफ कैमरा भी बात कर रहे थे. आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज एन इमेज कंसल्टेंट what are the first 2 striking things that you observe in, when somebody walks into your office for consultancy?
What I observe is one thing that is striking out, which is very positive. In a positive way, कि मुझे इसमें क्या attractive लगा. Okay, and I'm not talking about facial features या body proportions.
Okay.
मैं overall grooming, packaging देखती हूँ. मतलब person should be presentable, अच्छा well groomed होना चाहिए. अब उसका walking, उसका स्टांस कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए, वो किस तरीके से बात कर रहा है, अपने आप को कैसे कंडक्ट कर रहा है, एटिकेट कैसा है, ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो सी दी सेम थिंग अगेन, व्हाट इज स्टैंडिंग आउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो अलाइन नहीं है, अलाइन नहीं है, जिसको हम शायद चेंज करके बदल सकते हैं और उसको बेटर बना सकते हैं. कोई पीपल आते हैं बहुत ही एंशियस एंड फिजिटिंग करते हैं एंड इमेज लेकर आते हैं कि नहीं मैं है ना जब पतली हो जाऊंगी तब ये करूंगी, या मैं थोड़ी छोटी हूँ इसलिए मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, या मैं ऐसी ही दिखती हूँ. आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है ऐसा सब सोचते हो. बिकॉज मेरे यहाँ जब मैं बहुत पर्टिकुलरली व्हेन आई स्पीक टू विमेन, तो बहुत विमेन आती है, नहीं जब मैं पतली हो जाऊंगी तब मैं अपना ये इंस्टाग्राम
There is always a future self which they are waiting
they are
for.
waiting कि मैं थोड़ा सा ये अपने पिंपल्स निकल जाए तब मैं ये स्टार्ट करूंगी, जब मैं पतली हो जाऊँ तब मैं ये स्टार्ट करूंगी, जब मेरा जिमिंग पूरा, और वो तब जब बोलते हैं ना वो आता नहीं है, वो अब बनता नहीं है, वो never comes. तो they are in that loop stuck. So I just want to tell them, come out of the beauty bias and अपने आप को overall packaging अपना अच्छा करो.
So that brings me to the question, if you only live once, how important is the self-image?
If you only live once, I would say लोग क्या कहेंगे वो छोड़ दो, और अपने आप का हर काम, हर एक के पास एक टैलेंट है, एक पैशन है, एक ड्रीम है. सो गिव दैट एज मच इम्पॉर्टेंस एज यू कैन. जितना आप अपनी फैमिली को देते हो, अपने बच्चों को देते हो, अपने घर के कामों को देते हो, थोड़ा अपने आप पर भी दो. बिकॉज द डे यू फील आपका पैशन जिसके ऊपर आप काम कर रहे हो, वो जो आपको खुशी देता है, एंड द सेल्फ कंटेंटमेंट दैट यू फील थ्रू इट, नथिंग एल्स विल मैच दैट. सो कल करेंगे, बाद में करेंगे, या फिर आई एम नॉट द राइट एज और इट्स नॉट द राइट टाइम, या वक्त निकल गया है, ये सब भूल जाओ. इफ यू लिव ओनली वंस, लिव दैट ड्रीम एटलीस्ट वंस.
Wow. For my viewers, please simplify. What is confidence? जहाँ तक मुझे पता है और सुनने में आता है, लोग कहते हैं confidence is being loud, being braggadocious, and I can achieve anything. वो the outer facade. Please break down that confidence for us and how one can achieve it.
What you just mentioned, being loud and wearing that facade and being very vociferous, very loud, that is not confidence in my eyes.
Absolutely not.
That is arrogance, just disguised as confidence.
Wonderfully said.
So confidence क्या होता है ना, when you don't need validation from others. जब you are very happy in your own skin, and वो कब आता है, जब आप अपने आप के फ्लॉज को एक्सेप्ट करो, आप अपने आप के स्ट्रेंथ्स को प्रेज करो. डोंट बी ओवरली मॉडेस्ट एट टाइम्स, एक्सेप्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ग्रेशियसली, बी अलर्ट एंड अवेयर ऑफ योर स्ट्रेंथ्स. एंड अगर कुछ वीकनेसेस है, कुछ फ्लॉज है, उनको आप बिल्कुल उनके ऊपर वर्क करो और उनको टर्न अराउंड करना बहुत ईजी है. सो कॉन्फिडेंस इज समथिंग व्हेन यू डोंट नीड टू वेयर अ facade where you're not performing in a people of room. Just being authentic and being your authentic self. आपका presence, your energy is enough to speak. That is confidence. The day I feel that I can walk into a room and people just feel my aura without trying and trying to impress and trying to fake that energy. That is confidence.
अच्छा दिखना कितना जरूरी है?
See, when we look good, we feel good. When I feel good, I behave good. When I behave good, you will react good.
Oh wow, okay, I never.
So yeah, it always happens. आप कभी भी देखो, the day you are, suppose let's take a scenario, आप घर पे relax कर रहे हो in your pajamas, थोड़ा अच्छा सा oil लगाया हुआ है, कल hair wash करना है, and suddenly कोई आ जाए guest who's prim and proper, versus a situation when you're just about to move out, you're very well dressed, और तभी वही same guest आ जाए. You know, in the first scenario, आप सोचोगे कब ये जाएगा, कब मैं रूम में चली जाऊंगी, कब ये सब खत्म. You're the same person, same talent, same features, कुछ change नहीं हुआ है. It's just a situation change. And the next day when you're very nicely dressed, बिल्कुल आप immaculate लग रहे हो, you're just about to step out और वो guest आ जाए, वो भी अच्छा दिख रहा है, आप भी अच्छे दिख रहे हो, you'll sit and chat confidently. शायद आप चाय कॉफी भी ऑर्डर करोगे, वापस मिलने के plans बनाओगे. So psychology says that looking good does impact your mind a lot.
And I second that absolutely.
Yeah, but there is a subtle difference between looking good and trying to overachieve in terms of your looks.
मैं completely believe करती हूँ that looking good actually works on your psychology to an extent that the days I'm not feeling well,
Yeah.
I push myself, freshen up, get ready, even if I don't have to step out. In fact, I'm mocked for, my siblings are like, इतना सज धज के कहाँ जा रही है? मैंने कहा घर पे बैठने के लिए सज धज रही हूँ. And it's absolutely okay because I know that how it affects and uplifts my mood.
It does.
And I'm unapologetic about it.
No, you should be unapologetic because psychology says, see, हम लोग नहीं बोल रहे, science बोल रहा है. It has actually happened with me long back. I had gone to a therapist and he said, अगर आप इतना low feel कर रहे हो, just go out, wear a red dress. He specified, wear a red dress.
Okay.
Because red also impacts your mood. The color will lift up your energy.
Oh, wow.
जिस दिन आप बहुत पेल लग रहे हो, drained out लग रहे हो, and आपको कहीं जाना है, आप red पहन के देखो, या बिल्कुल कोई bright सा color पहनो, immediately energy shift होगा.
Oh wow. Okay.
So there are things, for example, women, if they are feeling low or if they also want to shift, और जैसे आपने बताया कि मुझे अपना माइंड शिफ्ट करना है और एनर्जी शिफ्ट करनी है, एक अच्छी सी लिपस्टिक डाल लो.
Oh,
इट
yes.
डज हेल्प.
Yes,
इट
it
डज
does.
हेल्प बिकॉज
Yes.
कहीं ना कहीं जब हम अपने आप में वो एक अपने आप से वैलिडेशन लेते हैं और वो मीट करते इन द मिरर, सो इट टेक्स अ शिफ्ट समवेयर इन योर साइकिल.
I'm sure, yes. And I have completely changed my outlook when it comes to dressing up and dressing up good. We were talking about the second impact, the very thin line, where people, especially women, either they overdo or maybe they do not understand the parameters of what naturally can be enhanced. Or which naturally can be polished.
Correct.
So I see a lot of women, a lot of girls, getting into that vicious cycle where there is a lot of, injectables, a lot of Botoxes, a lot of going under the knife happening. And I see such kind of girls do not have good confidence or they do not have a good self-image because of the examples that I know personally. And it just breaks my heart because वो बहुत सुंदर दिखती थी, वो बहुत सुंदर और अच्छी थी, और जब उन्होंने वो परिवर्तन खुद पर लाया, वो कहीं ना कहीं उनके कॉन्फिडेंस को सिर्फ डिटोरेट करता ही गया. कैन यू गिव अस maybe one tool where we are on that edge of thinking शायद ये मुझ में अच्छा नहीं है, अगर मैं इसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दूँ, मतलब एक्सटर्नली, नॉट इंटरनली, इंटरनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आई एम सेइंग, तो शायद मैं अब खूबसूरत दिखूँ. When we are at that brink, what is it that we should just let ourselves know and say, no, back off?
See, first of all, let me be very blunt. I may get some backlash, but I'm going to tell you what I truly feel. Okay? Forget internal grooming or transformation. External transformation की हम जब बात करते हैं और आपने बोला injectables or any procedures, maybe invasive procedures, मैं ये मानती हूँ, you can or you must. ओके, अगर वो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करता है,
yes,
अगर आपका वो गोल है कि इससे मुझे अच्छा फील होगा, दैट फील गुड फैक्टर, डू इट. बट what I would say or recommend is do it to the degree that you need it,
Yes.
not want it. See, there is a difference between need and want. मुझे चाहिए इतना सारा, but मुझे ज़रूरत कितनी है, ठीक है?
Very well said.
Yeah, because many people that you're talking about, or there are a few people we see here and there, even celebs, वो क्या होता है ना, because when they come, they are so zoned out. Maybe it's the first time into the industry or in public, and they do not know the correct way, or they probably don't have the guidance. अब उनको hearsay basis पे जितना पता है, and then they one fine day decide आज मैं ये करा लूँ, आज मैं वो करा लूँ, ये कर, शायद आपको चीज़ A की ज़रूरत है, but B और C की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो जब वो आप A को ठीक करने जा रहे हो, आप B और C को गलत कर रहे हो, तो वहाँ कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो रहा है. गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, पहले एनालाइज करो, टेक योर टाइम, रिसर्च करो, सुनो समझो, 2-4 एक ही नहीं बट 2-4 डॉक्टर्स या डर्मैट्स या किससे एडवाइस लो, एंड स्टार्ट विद बेबी स्टेप्स. थोड़ा करो, इफ इट्स सेटलिंग वेल यू मे गो, बट डोंट ओवरडू. वहाँ पे यू विल लूज कॉन्फिडेंस बिकॉज it is on the face. So when something is on the face, people are talking behind your back.
Very true.
So
Yes.
जितना आप natural beauty is always the best, but the need of the hour, the situation, the world where we live in today, and including ourselves, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, it's not only about the world, but we also want to look good and feel good about ourselves all the time.
I completely agree to it because I was the one when I was underconfident and I did not believe in myself and I wanted to match a certain standard of beauty. I have done injectables. I have these strong nasolabial folds, and I wasn't confident about my looks. I'll be very honest. I had done fillers.
Yeah.
And after I think a week or so, the fillers migrated, and I had swollen lip.
Oh.
That caused allergy. That caused my lip to swell, and I had flu-like symptoms because the fillers weren't accepted
Maybe
by my body.
allergic.
Yes, I was allergic. That was the time, first and the last time, that I realized for myself,
This is not for me.
this is not for me. Though I wanted to feel confident, though I was seeking, I was seeking that validation that,
Yeah.
if I lift my cheek, my nasolabial fold, disappears, I may look more beautiful and confident. Maybe that will give me a satisfaction. It didn't. It backfired
Probably
miserably.
backfired.
Yes, and I was like, oh my God, what did I do to myself? And trust me, Shalini, for almost 20 days or maybe a month,
Yeah, it
I did
takes
not
time to-
step up. I did not
Yeah.
step out.
Oh.
I did not step out because I looked weird. I used to
Yeah.
wake up, I had that pillow face where you have that, what do you call it?
That very
water retention
unnatural
kinds. Water retention.
pout or water retention, swollen lips.
Oh my God, and I felt horrible and I felt miserable.
Yeah.
But guilty as charged, after a month when it settled, I felt, should I try once more?
It's
And that was
natural.
yes. And
It's
there's
naturally.
where Abhinav told me it's a vicious cycle.
Yeah.
Please tread carefully.
Tread carefully. Exactly. See, I will not say that just stop doing whatever you want to if it is at the cost of your confidence. But if treatment A is not working, try something subtler, which is treatment B. Maybe natural massage, or maybe
Yeah.
face yoga, or maybe something that is not as invasive and superficial. It might not last longer, but it will help
Yes.
temporarily.
Yes, yes.
तो मैं यही बोलूँगी कि जिससे भी you feel more confident, you should always do it because it reflects in all aspects of your life. There's a very interesting study that the moment you feel confident by wearing a certain color or wearing some kind of makeup or just looking good, beautiful overall, when you feel pretty on the external, obviously then you feel more confident internally. And suddenly, if you see, the body language changes a lot.
Yes, it does.
Your shoulders become straighter and you feel a bit more louder, not louder per se, but a bit more firm in your voice. And you speak without those filler words. This is something not very connected, but it happens. हम अपने confidence और filler words को इतना connect नहीं करते. Filler words are like, basically,
You're
these
trying to
sounds,
find what you want
these
to
sounds in the interviews and when you're speaking, जो अच्छा नहीं लगता है सुनने में.
Yes.
Like basically ये जो आजकल इतने words हम use करते हैं, so तो ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बट कहीं ना कहीं आपके कॉन्फिडेंस से वो भी एलिमिनेट होता है. सो योर पोस्चर चेंजेस, योर स्पीकिंग रिदम चेंजेस, योर वॉइस becomes better. Everything boils down to how you think about yourself.
Wonderful. So we can say that external transformation is directly proportionate to internal growth, or vice versa?
It's both ways. Again, it's a loop.
It's a loop.
When internal transformation happens, it will show on the outside. When outside transformation happens, it will work within also. Only thing that you need to be careful, as you rightly put it, tread carefully and go step by step. Overnight कुछ नहीं होता है. राजमा बनने को भी टाइम लगता है.
I love this analogy. राजमा भी बनने को टाइम लगता है.
आप पेशावरी की दाल खाते हो, वो
Yes,
इतनी
yes.
इतनी उबलती है तब टेस्ट आता है.
Wow, yes.
तो
Rightly
यू
said.
गॉट टू टेक बेबी स्टेप्स एंड ग्रो स्लोली. हमको बिल्कुल जंप नहीं करना है.
Correct. I also, learned my lesson the hard way, and I was like, oh my God, at least I'll let my, Gen Z know that
Yeah.
this is not the way, because it's very disturbing. My dermatologist, she mentions quite a many times that I get girls of 13 age, 15 years coming to me and saying, this is the filter face, I want my face to be like that.
Yes.
I'm like, oh my God, what is our generation? The coming
Because
generation
we
is
live
learning.
in AI world. We'll put up pictures with all the filters possible. So youngsters are actually now the scapegoats, or they are the ones who have to bear the brunt of it.
Yes.
So I have seen myself coming a 19-year-old who wanted a pout like Angelina Jolie.
Wow.
And अब doctors कितना ही dermats भी, they can't go beyond a certain point, because if the patient is convincing कि मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए, dermat will just do what's asked. Only thing is the dermats also should be little wiser enough to inject in moderation. But that is what I feel. Gen Z is really facing the music of what is happening. At least we are aware, and not many people are open about it.
I think we should make this conversation normal. I regret doing what I did with my face because I felt miserable later.
Yes.
Now I want to make this a easy subject to be discussed with your parents, with your friends,
Correct.
with your peers, so that at least somebody give me a reality check. If I had the confidence to go to my friend and say, forget a friend, even to my husband Abhinav,
Yeah.
I'm thinking of doing so. What do you think? I did not have the courage.
Courage. Right.
All I thought was, let me come beautiful with a nice plump face and just show him.
Yeah.
It didn't work like that. It was a horrible mistake.
और सरप्राइज मिलने के बजाय शॉक लग जाता है.
शॉक लग गया. मैं सुबह उठी, आइसिंग माई फेस, मैंने कहा ओ माई गॉड क्या कर दिया मैंने. मैं उस दिन पूरा दिन रोई हूँ. हालांकि I had great support with me. I actually needed counseling for it, because being in front of the camera is my passion. It's my bread and butter. If I do not feel the right, if I don't feel a certain way, it doesn't give me confidence.
Of
And
course.
that was killing me. I had to cancel 3 of my shoots. It drilled a hole in my pocket as well.
I understand.
Not just the confidence. It was my, my finances that went
Yes.
haywire.
Yeah.
But I wish I had someone to speak. I wish we had this conversation
Earlier.
that I could refer to and maybe see कि नहीं यार ठीक है हम बात कर सकते हैं. Let's talk about it.
But it's never too late. I really applaud your courage that you are openly talking about it, because it's going to help so many viewers.
Absolutely.
And I hope they take the right steps and they take the correct guidance from the correct people.
Yes.
So that is something good that you've done, and I hope people, those who are watching, they take this
That's the whole idea.
seriously.
जो किसी ने बताया नहीं वो आप मेरे जो शो पर हैं वो देख सकते हैं. And you can always relate to कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं. I want to understand the correlation between the self-image and living with intention.
They are directly proportionate to each other. They are directly interlinked, because living with intention will enhance or grow your self-image. Be intentional about everything, about your dressing, about your conduct, about the way you behave or your demeanor in a particular situation. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, किससे बात कर रहे हो, उस जगह का कल्चर क्या है, एज क्या है, जेंडर क्या है, वहाँ की बिलीफ और वैल्यूज़ क्या है. Keeping that in mind, be intentional about it, and accordingly you conduct. You behave. You give your answers. You talk to people like that. You dress up accordingly. तो आपका self image भी, that also is going to be optimum, and the way people perceive you will be at its best. For example, if you're going to a Middle East country, see the culture. वहाँ का culture क्या है, आप कैसे dress up करोगे, वहाँ पे आप कैसे बात करोगे. And if you're going to an European country, वहाँ का culture क्या है, and how do you interact with people. There are little differences.
When in
everywhere.
Rome, be like a Roman.
Exactly. So just be a little aware. अगर आपको नहीं भी पता हो तो find out, Google it and just see, because that is going to create your first impression, which becomes your last impression with public there, and that in turn will either enhance your self-image or just annihilate it.
You had touched upon communication in your earlier conversation. If I'm not confident, I'm working on my confidence. It reflects in my communication. Or should I work on my communication and it'll reflect in my confidence? How do we go about it?
See, again, it's one thing is they are very codependent.
Okay, yes.
Okay,
I
one
understand.
thing is dependent on the other, and I always tell my students when I'm conducting workshops or trainings, communication is important, not your vocabulary. यहाँ पे particularly in India we judge people उसकी English कैसी है.
And it is a sad part.
It is sad, but we do
sad.
it.
Yeah,
But we
I
do
feel
it.
really very sad because
Yeah.
till the longest I have struggled to communicate in both the languages. क्योंकि हमारा कैसा है ना हम हिंदी अच्छी बोल पाए ना अंग्रेजी अच्छी बोल पाए. अब पढ़ी तो मैं भी कॉन्वेंट स्कूल से हूँ, पब्लिक स्कूल से हूँ. ना इंग्लिश अच्छी रही क्योंकि जब इंडस्ट्री में आए तो हिंदी टेलीविजन और
Correct.
शोज करने पड़े तो हिंदी की भाषा को फिर से वापस से
वापस,
रिफाइन करना पड़ा, सीखना पड़ा.
Yeah.
तो ना हिंदी अच्छी रही ना इंग्लिश अच्छी रही.
अभी तो दोनों इतनी अच्छी है.
Thank you. It's a lot of hard work. But when we go to the West, it's just only English. They don't
Yeah.
have to focus about anything. Maybe Spanish or
They are very
Macron,
confident with their language.
Yes.
The Indians are not.
Why do we feel so inferior if we have to communicate in Hindi?
I don't know, but that is the mindset we've been grown with, conditioned
And it
for
is
not.
sad. We should
not
be proud of our mother
few
language.
years, but generations. At Japan, jao, they don't even know English half the times. If you want
It's
to communicate with me,
difficult to
you learn
communicate.
Japanese. China,
Translators.
Translators.
Yeah.
They don't care. हमको
Yeah.
नहीं आती English, नहीं आती. You go to China, people nowadays are learning Mandarin because they don't care. हमको English नहीं आती, आप Chinese सीख लो. So India में क्या है ना, we judge people by the way they speak, their pronunciation,
Fluent
their
English.
fluency, their proficiency, and फिर हम बोलेंगे इतना अच्छा. And the moment कोई अच्छा बोलेगा, शशि थरूर जैसा बात करता है.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
And
Classic
बस.
that is.
Yeah, classic.
Learn
he's-
English like Shashi Tharoor.
He's a benchmark.
हाँ. I mean, kudos to Mr. Shashi Tharoor.
Of
नहीं
course,
बन
he's
सकते
a
हम सब.
genius,
हम सब नहीं
but
बन सकते
he's a
हैं.
genius, but to reach that level, I'm sure he has also worked hard. And उतना भी ना बनो, ठीक ठाक करो. But what I always say is that language should not be a barrier in your confidence. आप अच्छे से communicate करो, अपना point जितना अच्छे से express करो in whatever language. However, that is important. Kapil Sharma. उनकी इंग्लिश देखो, but look at the way he conducts, presents, and he speaks.
Immaculate confidence. Yes.
Super quintessential example.
He would rather, mix it up with Punjabi also.
Oh, he doesn't care. Punjabi is
Yes.
my language, and I'm not
Yes.
ashamed. I love that confidence in
Yes.
him. And I think somewhere that must have played a role in his growth and success.
Very
Because अगर वो अपने आप की इंग्लिश को सुधारने में लग जाते,
हाँ गए फिर वो
हाँ,
कपिल
हो
शर्मा
गया।
नहीं रहते.
फिर हो
एब्सोल्युटली.
चुका।
क्योंकि मुझे भी अपने जीवन में बहुत देर बाद समझ में आया हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट टू कनेक्ट विद माई रूट्स अगैन. आई वॉज ऑलवेज हेजिटेंट. यार पहाड़ी पहाड़न
हाँ,
हूँ. अब एक तो हमारी हमारी रीजनल लैंग्वेज ऐसी है. द डायलेक्ट कीप चेंजेस आफ्टर 25 किलोमीटर्स और सो.
हाँ.
तो हमारी पहाड़ी में भी बहुत सारे डायलेक्ट्स हैं.
right.
मुझे मेरी पहाड़ी भाषा बोलनी नहीं आती, समझ में आती है. नाउ आई फील बैड अबाउट इट. आई विश मुझे बोलना सिखाया होता. ऑफ कोर्स पेरेंट्स दे हैव डन देयर
Best.
बेस्ट. पर हम उस माहौल में रहे हैं, पर मैं उस माहौल से भागती रही.
हम लोग फिक्सेटेड है इंग्लिश पर.
Exactly. And when I realized, no, it is so important to be
Yeah.
culturally, feeling proud of your culture, feeling proud of your tradition, because that helped me gain confidence. And
Yes.
I will say it. अगर मैं अपने cultures और अपने roots को acknowledge नहीं करती, तो मैं शायद मतलब ये जो हम कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं मैं नहीं कर पाती. और मुझे इस बात से बाहर निकलने में बहुत समय लगा. और किसी ने मुझे बताया नहीं था, किसी की गाइडेंस नहीं थी मेरे पास कि रुबीना बी प्राउड ऑफ योर कल्चर. मुझे
Yeah.
लगता था कि यार क्या ही है, आई शुड बी मोर लिसनिंग टू. हमारे टाइम तो कॉलेज में वेस्ट लाइफ, बैकस्ट्रीट बॉयज एंड दिस एंड
और
दैट,
MTV होता था.
लिसन टू ब्रिटनी, लिसन टू
Yeah,
एंजेला.
yeah.
तो हमने तो सिर्फ वही सीखा क्योंकि हमको सीखना था
Because
फ्लुएंट
हमको-
इंग्लिश.
हाँ, exactly.
वी वांटेड टू बी एक्सेप्टेड इन द
And we wanted
सोसाइटी.
to appear cool that time.
Appear cool is such a, I think being cool is like being, acknowledging that who I am.
We are just seeking
I'm the
validation
best.
in
Yes,
short.
yes.
But एक और चीज़ I would like to add is be connected with your roots for sure. That's a non-negotiable. But also be connected with your talent. See, talent is how you express yourself, not words. एक आर्टिस्ट हो, वो अच्छा नहीं बोलता हो, तो उसका आर्ट इतना अच्छा होता है ना. Your talent speaks for that. It compensates. It compensates actually. So जो भी आपका, जिसको आजकल हम इकिगाई बोलते हैं, पैशन बोलते हैं, पर्पस, जो भी है, everyone is gifted with some talent, some God gift.
Yes.
उसको यूटिलाइज करो. Express yourself through not English but through your talent.
Very well said. I'll take this. Express
Yeah.
yourself with your talent, not with your English. Wonderful.
Correct.
Wonderful.
And obviously stay connected with your roots all the time.
Beautiful. Shalini, I mean, you've helped me understand better where I've been struggling for a long period of time. I've been fortunate to have conversation with different people, read books, listen to
Yeah.
audiobooks, and, you know, help myself accumulate that amount of knowledge to, you know, come out of a certain roadblock or, you know,
Yeah.
that hesitation. Because I wish image building, confidence, they were taught in the school. They were a part of our curriculum.
I so wish.
हम अपनी जनरेशन को एक अलग ही चेहरा देते.
That is so true. But unfortunately ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. Right from the beginning, हम लोग अगर अपनी लैंग्वेज और थोड़े सब्जेक्ट से अलग होके ओवरऑल लाइफ लेसन्स अगर सिखाएं ना स्कूल
Yes,
में,
yes. बहुत
it's
ज़रूरी
going
है.
to really transform.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. मुझे ऐसा
बहुत
लगता है
ज़रूरी
मेडिटेशन, सेल्फ इमेज, ये दो सब्जेक्ट्स तो होने ही होने चाहिए.
होने ही
और
चाहिए.
इट कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ मे बी प्ले टाइम.
Play time.
जैसे हमारी वो EVS क्लासेस होती थी
हाँ.
या फिर हमारी वो PT सेशंस होते
होते
थे.
थे.
आई थिंक, I mean, we can do this. We can give this to our children, and
And
that will be a
self-expression in school.
self-expression, of course.
Because बहुत लोग, बहुत बच्चे भी shy होते हैं right from early age on. They are introverts, and I feel majority of us are introverts. We are just sometimes trying to appear cool and look extroverts because extroverts are always put on the pedestal. कि इतना अच्छा बात कर रहा है, क्या एनर्जी है, इतना अच्छा बोलता है, wow, we can mingle with everybody. This is the person I want to be. No, but you are fine as an introvert, or you're good as a, it's all right to be a shy person. Just express yourself through something, through your art, through your skills, your talent, and find your footing. और वो स्कूल में आजकल लैकिंग है. वो अगर एक सब्जेक्ट ऐड हो जाए ना, आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प द फ्यूचर जनरेशंस अ लॉट.
Yes, very well said. Thank you so much, Shalini. हम बहुत लंबा बात कर सकते हैं, but I mean,
Yes.
whatever time you have given to me, I completely appreciate that. Towards the end of the podcast, we do a rapid fire, but
Yeah.
with you, I want to do a guidance rapid fire. So
Okay.
I'll ask you questions.
Huh.
So give me the answers as if you're giving guidance to me or maybe to my
the
viewers.
viewers. Oh.
Yes. My first question is freedom or approval, which is important?
Freedom, of course. You keep on running after approval, you've lost your freedom to choose.
Wow.
I'm currently reading a book, A Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl.
Oh my God.
उसमें मुझे एक लाइन ना बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. You can take everything from a person, okay? Every damn thing. You cannot take the freedom of choice from him.
Yes.
So freedom any day.
Because I've read the book, I remember every page wells up my eyes. Every
Yeah,
single page. It's
yeah.
beautiful. Okay, second question. Trendy or timeless?
In the long run, timeless, but every now and then trendy is good.
Ah, nice. I like this. Confidence comes from within. Yeah, it is only appearance.
No, it is both. Your appearance will also make you confident, and your inner self, inner construction or inner engineering will also bring out the beauty on the outside.
Okay. Repeat outfits or always a new look?
Repeat outfits with a good twist every time.
I like this. I like this because I repeat my outfits and I'm like, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
उसे थोड़ा different बना
yes,
दो.
yes, I keep
Accessorize it well.
I keep styling them.
Yeah,
yes, I keep styling
styling
them.
differently.
Absolutely. Minimalism, yeah, statement styles.
See, minimalism can also be a statement style. You take your pick depending on the occasion.
I like this answer. Fake it till you make it, or it's just yes, yeah, no.
Fake it till you make it. Nothing comes easy, nothing comes gratis in this world. You gotta fake your confidence until you are confident, because confidence is also a journey.
And I have done this.
Yes.
Dress to impress or just dress to express?
Both, but initially dress to impress, and after a point, you dress to express.
Wow. I love the, how you make the whole answer so holistic. एक आउटफिट जो कॉन्फिडेंस को इंस्टेंटली बूस्ट करता है. आपने कलर तो मुझे बताया, बट वन आउटफिट दैट यू फील दैट कॉन्फिडेंस जस्ट गोज अप.
I just feel great personally. It's a personal choice,
Hanji,
but
hanji.
I feel great when I'm wearing a bright colored dress.
You're looking
it-
great today.
too.
Thank you.
But I suddenly feel my spirits are lifted up. And another thing that is a no-brainer is a white shift dress or a... Oh, you're wearing white, by the way.
Yes, it was a no-brainer actually in the
Yeah.
morning.
So white is always a no-brainer.
ओके ग्रेट. एक रूल जो आप तोड़ना चाहेंगे, वन रूल दैट यू बिन.
One rule that I would want everyone to break, or just a myth that an hourglass figure is a perfect figure and I want to look like that. That's a myth. All figures or all body types are great. You just need to style them correctly. And another myth is, आप कैसे भी बात करो, just do it with a firm voice. That's it. That is showing your confidence. Not your vocabulary, not your words, nothing else, but the way you speak with firmness.
Give me one word for personal styling.
Personal styling means, as the name says, that makes you personally happy in what you wear and how you dress up.
Wonderful, Shalini. I mean, it's such a pleasure to speak to you. It is so great to understand. And it is a very rare subject that people talk about. I'm sure there are many women coming to you wanting to change certain things about themselves, but I see how you empower everyone. So you're doing a great, great service to our society.
Thank you so much for allowing me and actually inviting me here to speak, because I learned from you a lot as well while we were talking backstage, and I completely align with your thinking, and not everybody is bold and courageous to speak about it. So when people come to me for image consultancy, there's a lot of counseling involved also.
Absolutely, it is.
So this is how you empower women. I do my bit, and I hope every woman out there does the same, and I think we are all doing in some way,
Yes,
contributing.
yes.
And let's hope for a better future, better generation, and a more open one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
With
much.
that, I will see you in another episode of Kisi Ne Bataya Nahi. You only live once, but I would say you die once, but you live every single day. So live fully. Till then, I love you all. Bye-bye.